Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a tricky problem that you might encounter while trying to install GRUB on a disk image. The issue arises when attempting to generate the GRUB configuration file by using CRUT into MNT and running mkconfig. However, despite having mounted the necessary file systems and directories, an error crops up, stating that the command mkconfig cannot be found. Now, let's delve into the solution to this pesky problem. The error is likely due to the absence of the dynamic loader ld.so in its expected location. This loader plays a crucial role in executing dynamically linked binaries and is needed for commands like mkconfig to function properly. By using the file command, you can pinpoint the exact path where the loader is expected to be, ensuring that the necessary files are in place for the command to execute without a hitch. In summary, ensuring that the dynamic loader ld.so is in the correct location is key to resolving the issue of mkconfig not being found while trying to generate the GRUB configuration file. With this solution in mind, you'll be able to successfully navigate through similar challenges in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next video.